I've heard a million times when they say, I can draw, or I don't know how to draw. I'm convinced that anybody can draw, even if you don't have the gift. Nobody is born with a pencil on his hand. Drawing skills are not limited by budget. It's always a blank piece of paper and one pencil. The creative process starts from the brain and through the pencil and into the paper. The interesting ideas come from the brain. You just need to break the myth that you cannot draw. In drawing, you are given the freedom. You can make anything, you can do anything with drawing. You can learn the essentials of drawing on your own within a very short period of time. I see young, aspiring non-artists who comes excitedly to me and asked me and wanted to know the secrets of drawing. So you want to be an artist? There's only one ingredient that we need: confidence. If you have confidence, you can make it. This is an exclusive non-artist class. So for those who are non-artists, this is for you. We will talk about techniques of drawing. We will talk about specific processes on how to draw. We will try to discover that drawing is your most powerful tool. My goal for this class is for you to have the skill of drawing so that you can express your ideas on paper. Whatever you draw because it comes from some very deep place inside you that you really need to express in drawing. Make sure you don't stop till you get to the end. Hi, I'm Marvin Marcelino, and this is my Marvin's Class.